Hey guys. Welcome to my channel. This is Gem of DTECH tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an orthographic drawing from the isometric model. First, what is the isometric model? Isometric drawing or model, also called isometric projection, method of graphic representation of three-dimensional objects, used by engineers, technical illustrators, and, occasionally, architects. The technique is intended to combine the illusion of depth, as in a perspective rendering, with the undistorted presentation of the object's principal dimensions, that is, those parallel to a chosen set of three mutually perpendicular coordinate axes. And now, what is orthographic projection? Orthographic projection, common method of representing three-dimensional objects, usually by three two-dimensional drawings in each of which the object is viewed along parallel lines that are perpendicular to the plane of the drawing. For example, an orthographic projection of a house typically consists of a top view or plan, and a front view, and one side view. So, let's start to draw. And now this is our top view in this model. This surface, and these two inclined parts and these two lower parts. First I will draw this upper part. Always remember, when we draw an orthographic view, always draw first the top view, because it will serve as our floor plan in the isometric model. This drawing object is the upper part of our top view. Next we will draw the inclined part and the lower part of our isometric model. If we've seen that we have a bend, here in this part, and here, in this part, let us make sure that it is also placed in our orthographic view. This is now our orthographic top view. This is the upper part of our top view. And this is the inclined part. And this is our lower part. Now let's proceed to the front view. And this is our outer part, or visible lines of our front view, and this is the depth part of the front view in this model. Before we start drawing the front view, we need to draw lines that projected to our top view drawing, to make sure the sizes or measurement of the object. And I will use a red lines for the projection line. And now I'm done for the projection line. Now let's start drawing the front view of our isometric model. This is the inclined part of the isometric model. So we will connect it into our orthographic drawing. Next we will draw the depth part. We are done with our depth part in our front view. Next we will draw the right side view. We will see we have a length of 10 mm here, 10 mm here and 10 mm here. And if we combine we have 30 mm long. And we also have 30 mm high. First I will draw the height with 30 mm high. In this graph we have 10 mm of each box. And second I will draw the total length which is also 30 mm. If we look at the isometric model, he split into 3 with 10 mm each. So we will divide our right side view into 3 with 10 mm each. Next we will draw these two lower part of our right side view. We are now done for the right side view, and that's it. Now we are done with all the views. For you to visualize more, please watch this SketchUp model I made. You will see here all the orthographic views that I have drawn. Thank you.